How to use two WhatsApp account in one mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use two WhatsApp account or two different WhatsApp in one mobile. Now, after the latest update, you can easily use two different account in WhatsApp. To do so, you can open up WhatsApp and you'll be logged into one of your account, right? Then you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on settings. Under settings, you want to head into account where you'll find the option that says add account. In my case, I already have added account. If you have added the account already, you'll find the option to remove account as you can see on the screen. But if not, then you'll find the option add account instead of remove account. So you want to simply tap on add account and then log into another account like you do. Once you do so, on the home page at the chat page, if you tap on three dots, you'll find the option that says switch accounts and you can switch in between your account. Now similarly, if you want to use two different WhatsApp, now what you can do is you can use a WhatsApp clone as well. To do so, if you're on Samsung device, however, you can simply head into your settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down and head into the option that says advanced features. Under advanced features, you'll find the option here that says dual messenger, and under it you'll find various apps that you can use it. So you can see I've enabled dual WhatsApp here. You can enable this and you can install it, and once you do so, you'll have two different WhatsApp. In my case, you can see here is one WhatsApp and you can see it's clone right here. So this is how you can use two WhatsApp in one mobile or use two WhatsApp account in one mobile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.